And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show the nav tag. Short form for navbar, so it is used to define a navigation set, and usually that means we have links inside, and most often they are nested inside of an unordered list. The basic structure looks like this. We've got an opening and closing tag, and inside we have the links. So let me just add one. Let's say about programming languages, so HTML is the first one, and I give it an href. Let me just use a placeholder like HTML. And here it is now. So it's placed inside of the body. And I can add multiple links. Let's make it CSS and JS as well. So we've got 3 links now in our navbar. And maybe I want to separate them a little bit more, something like this. But the nav element itself, it's just a structure link, so it doesn't change anything about the format or the functionality of what's inside. Let me also show you what it looks like with the unordered list. So this is usually the structure that's used on websites to create the navigation bar. So we've got the nav elements, inside is the UL nested, and inside we've got the list items. And for each list item we've got a link with an anchor text, in this case HTML. Next one would be CSS, and the final one would be JavaScript. And once you've got that basic structure done, you would use CSS to style it and create these more fancy navigation bars. But I do remember the early websites, they almost all had this navigation bars on top, and you can still find some of them on the internet today. And this is how you can use the nav element in HTML. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.